Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anissa binti Nawi. My matric number 2024927031 and I am from RPA 27338. So, I will be talking about that's a really interesting topic that is becoming more important nowadays in the world of hiring, which is the use of intelligence artificial or AI recruitment. This video presentation is based on 2024 research article by Sakharova and her colleagues entitled of Incorporating Artificial Intelligence into Recruitment Processes, Ethical Consideration. The study focused on how AI is being used in hiring, especially in Czech Republic, and what ethical issues comes with it. We know that nowadays technology advances rapidly, like AI is increasingly being integrated into human resources and recruitment to automate tasks like screening resumes, conducting initial interview via chatbots, and predicting candidates' job compatibility using data-driven models. So this transformation promises faster hiring, cost savings, and more objective decision making. However, it also raises serious concerns about fairness, transparency, and data privacy. To learn more, the researchers interview 4 experienced recruiters from the Czech Republic. They want to understand how these recruiters feel about using AI, what problems they are seeing, and what can be done to improve the things. What the issue that identified in this article? While artificial intelligence AI offers significant potential in the recruitment field, such as enhancing efficiency, automating resume screening, and reducing operational costs, but it also raises several important ethical concerns. This article highlights 3 issues, which is first, bias and discrimination occurs when algorithms unintentionally replicate historical patterns of inequality. One example in the case of Amazon, where like AI recruitment to systematically disadvantage female applicant due to bias training database on past hiring practices. Second, there are serious data privacy concerns. AI-powered recruitment tools often process highlight sensitive personal information, including candidates' online activities, facial impression, voice tones, and even emotional responses. Third, the inclusion of AI in recruitment risks the loss of the human factors, elements such as empathy, intuition, and the ability to make contacts based on judgment qualities unique to human recruiters may be undervalued, entirely excluded from AI driven hiring processes. From the issue that identified in that article, there are factors contribute to the issues. The article identified several key factors that contribute to the ethical issues associated with AI in recruitment. First, the black box of nature of AI possesses a significant challenge. AI systems often make decisions in ways that are not easily understandable to users, which raises concerns about transparency and accountability. Second, the quality of training data is critical. if data used to train AI system contains historical bias or inaccuracies, the AI will inevitably replicate and even reinforce those flaws in its decision making. Third, there is the issue of over-reliance or optimization. Why AI can handle certain tasks efficiently, it struggles to replicate human judgment, particularly when it comes into accessing soft skills, emotional intelligence, or culture fits, which are essential in recruitment. Lastly, law and rules are not always applied properly, even though we have a strong rules in Europe like General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) and the upcoming AI Act. How they are enforced can differ by the country. We move to key findings from the recruiter interviews that I mentioned in introduction previously. From the interviews, here what the recruiters in the Czech Republic said. They do not use AI that much yet. Most had only limited experience with it. Some were positive, saying it can help with simple tasks, but others were unsure, especially about trusting AI with final hiring decision. And all agree that human judgment is still important, especially for things like emotional intelligence, communication skill, and team fit. And they also had different opinion on the risk. Some worry about privacy, others about losing jobs to automation, and some about whether AI can be really accurate and fair or not. So, what can be done from that issue? There are solution suggestions. First, they emphasize the importance of regulatory compliance. Organizations should strictly adhere the data protection laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) that I mentioned in the issue, and the upcoming AI Act, which require transparency in how algorithmic decisions are made and communicated to candidates. Second, the author stressed the need for human oversight. Why AI can be helpful tools in early recruitment stage, such as screening resumes, it should not fully replace human judgments, especially during critical phases like interviews or final hiring decision. There is a use of ethical AI tools. There are tools like Felin and Interpret ML that help companies check for bias and explain AI decision. And also training and awareness are essential. Recruiters must be properly educated on the ethical use of AI, including how to interpret AI outputs, spot potential bias, and make informed responsibility decisions throughout the recruitment processes. Alright, from my perspective, the article raises an important point. There's a big tension between innovation and ethics. It encourages using AI with human involvement, but does not clearly say when to use AI and when to rely on human itself. The views in the article are based on just 4 recruiters in one country. This may not reflect opinions in other places where AI is more common. While laws like GDPR are mentioned, the article does not talk enough about how slow legal enforcement can be compared to how fast AI is growing. Still, I think this study is a great start and opens up valuable conversation about using AI responsibly. Alright, last but not least, to wrap up, AI in recruitment is here to stay. The question is not if we will use it, but how to use it the right way. Bias, privacy, and losing the human touch are major concerns, and they need to be solved before AI used widely. Recruiters still play a big role. AI can help, but it cannot replace human understanding, empathy, or good judgment. The best solution is a hybrid approach. Let AI handle tasks and let humans focus on deeper decisions. In the end, using AI ethically in recruitment is not just about technology. It's about people, fairness, and making a smart choice. Thank you for listening, and Assalamualaikum.